Well, what do we have here? Well, we have an Adams mystery box, and what's inside is the Cyber Monday mystery box. Pretty sweet packaging. Excited to see what we have in here. I know that somebody got an iPad. I don't think that was me because I don't think it would fit in here, but I gave it a shot. Paid $29.99 for it, and we'll see what it comes out to be. Got the computer over here. We'll look up each price. We'll see if it's worth it. I'm sure it will be. It usually is. Sometimes though you do get stuff that you don't really use. But let's go ahead and open it up. Check it out. All right. First things first here. We'll get that out of the way. So yeah, like I said, there's no iPad in here, but we do have some stuff. First thing we have here is going to be one of their edgeless towels. Something I found out is, I think that they put the stuff that they forget to print, like towels, like they forget to put the name on here. I think they put those in the mystery boxes. I mean, there's nothing wrong with the towel, but they just don't have the name of what the towel is on the packaging. I'm pretty sure that this is the edgeless utility towel, I think. So let's check that out, see how much it is. So yeah, so this is a utility towel, and it is $6. So $6 right here for this one. The next thing we're gonna grab is H2O Garden Gloss. So this is like more of a drying aid than anything else. I used to use this a lot, still use it, just not as much. So I actually know what the price of this is. This 16-ounce bottle is $19.99, so we'll say $20 just to keep the math easy for the end. So $20, H2O Garden Gloss. Now we're up to $26. Reminder, this box cost $29.99, so $30. So H2O Garden Gloss. Next, Eco All-Purpose Cleaner. I actually still use Eco All-Purpose a good bit, not a ton, but I still use it a good bit. I don't know how much this is, so let's look it up. Eco All-Purpose is $9.99, so $10. So $10, $20, and $6, so $36 so far. Number 3. I hate when bottles are like all deformed like that, just like air. But we have the graphene tire dressing. I've got too much of this stuff already, so I'm probably gonna sell this bottle because I have so many bottles. It does work good. It keeps your tires black a little longer than a lot of them, but I have a ton of it. This stuff is $16.99, so $17. So we have 6, 20, 10, and 17. So 37, 6, we got $43 so far. So I'm gonna jump in here real quick and say this. I miscounted. Trying to do this in my head, doing a video, it's a lot of work. But anyways, so add $10 to every single total that I say. So like the first one, I think I say it's 43. It's actually 53, so it makes the next one 63, and so on. anyways, whatever the end result is, it's actually 10 bucks more than that. So I actually got like 70 something dollars worth of stuff. We have a few more in here, so we're definitely getting the money's worth, and that's sort of the thing with these boxes. I don't know if I've ever not got my money's worth out of these boxes. So, I mean, they're a pretty good deal if you're up for a risk and you don't really need anything in particular, or if you just want to see what happens. Next we have the car shampoo. It's just their regular car shampoo, pH balance, all that stuff. Actually some pretty good stuff. And the price of this is $9.99, so 10 bucks. So let's see if I can get the math right now. We got 43 total, plus 10 for the car shampoo. So there we are at 53. So 53 bucks so far. Next up, and just typical glass cleaner. So it's just a regular glass cleaner. There's nothing special about this, just glass cleaner. And the glass cleaner is 13 bucks for this glass cleaner. I forgot it was that expensive. That's pretty crazy. So we have 13 bucks here. I've already lost count. I'm at 53. Yeah, 53 bucks now with this, plus another 13. So 66 bucks out of this box. Because all we have left is a bunch of sprayers. So we have this, along with these products, a total of 66 bucks. And remember, I only paid $29.99, so I paid 30 bucks for this. So think of it as I got all these products for 50% off. Not bad at all. And honestly, I don't really need the H2O Garden Gloss. And I don't really need the graphene dressing. Glass cleaner is glass cleaner. To be honest, I probably won't use this. I just have so many other glass cleaners that I like more. I'll probably use the all-purpose cleaner to clean mats or whatever with. It's just very, versatile. So probably keep this, and I'll probably keep the car shampoo. That way I can dump a ton of it in a cannon and just really foam something up, just for the fun of it. But 50% off all these products, not a bad gig. Sucks I didn't get a iPad, but at least I got a cool box, right? But anyways, that is it for this video for the most part, guys. I do have one other thing. Who here drinks Hoist? Does anybody here know about Hoist? So Hoist is a IV level hydration drink. If you are a detailer or a sports guy or whatever, and you're sweating a lot and water's just not cutting it, I'd probably go grab a bottle of Hoist. This stuff tastes great and it works so well. Like, you really tell a huge difference after you've had a drink of it. Or drink at the bottle, I guess I should say. It works way better than water. It tastes great. This is on the strawberry lemonade. But good stuff. Go grab some Hoist if you haven't. You can get them online. I know you can get them in some stores too, but here in Montana, we don't really have any yet. But order these online and good stuff. So I recommend it. But I guess that'll be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, like this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.